Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down intermittent fasting, specifically the popular 16-8 fasting method. If you've been curious about it, you're in the right place. I'll explain what it is, its benefits, and how you can start incorporating it into your life today. First things first, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, it's not a diet, but rather an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. One of the most common methods is the 16-8 fast, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour window for eating. During the fasting period, you'll avoid calories but can have water, coffee, or tea. The eating window is where you consume your meals, ensuring you still get enough nutrients and energy for the day. So why do people love intermittent fasting? There are several benefits that come with it. First up is weight loss. By limiting the time you're eating, it naturally reduces your calorie intake and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Fasting can boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Fasting triggers autophagy, which is a fancy way of saying your body repairs old or damaged cells. It's like a spring cleaning for your body. Many people report better focus and mental clarity during their fast. That's because your body isn't focused on digesting food all day. Now, let's dive into how to follow the 16-8 fasting method. Start by picking an 8-hour window that works best for your schedule. A common choice is from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., where you skip breakfast, have lunch at noon, and finish with dinner by 8 p.m. But you can adjust this based on your routine. During your eating window, focus on nutritious meals, lean proteins, veggies, healthy fats, and complex carbs. The goal is to nourish your body, not binge. During the 16-hour fasting window, stick to water, black coffee, or herbal teas. No sugary drinks or snacks. Here are a few tips to make your 16-8 fast easier. Drink plenty of water during the fasting period to stay hydrated and curb hunger. Start by fasting for 12 hours and gradually increase to 16 hours over a few days. It's not just about 1 or 2 days. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits. That's it for today's video. Intermittent fasting can be a great tool for better health and weight management. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on healthy living.